Remember this. You don't have to pull this, okay? And if you're going too fast, you just let off your foot, okay? Okay? Oh, I think she just power slid.
Power slide, baby, power slide!
So watch what she's doing. When she lets off on the gas, right? Starts to slide, she hits the gas again.